Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to explore Docker. This is a complete beginner's guide. We will cover a simple explanation of what Docker is and why developers use it. Let's dive in. Docker is a containerization platform that packages applications and their dependencies into lightweight, portable containers. It is a tool designed to make it easier to create, deploy, and run applications by using containers. Containers allow a developer to package up an application with all of the parts it needs, such as libraries and dependencies, and ship it all out as one package. The common problem that Docker solves is the "it works on my machine" scenario. Applications often fail when moved between different environments due to dependency conflicts and configuration differences. For example, an application might work perfectly in the development environment, but encounter issues in the staging environment, and ultimately fail in the production environment. This is often due to different operating systems, versions, and dependencies present in each environment. Docker solves the environment issue by packaging everything your application needs into a single container that runs identically across all environments. No matter if it is a development, staging, or production environment, the same container ensures the same behavior everywhere. This eliminates inconsistencies and ensures reliable application deployment. Let's look at the key concepts of Docker. The first is the image. An image is a blueprint containing your application and all its dependencies, like a template. The second key concept is a container, which is a running instance of an image, essentially your application in action. Think of an image as a class and a container as an object of that class. A Dockerfile is a text file containing step-by-step instructions to build a Docker image. Here is a sample Dockerfile. First, it uses a Python version 3.9 base image. Then it sets the working directory to app. Next, it copies the requirements, then installs dependencies and copies the application code. Finally, it specifies the command to start the application, which in this case is python-app.py. Here are some basic Docker commands. To build an image, use the command docker build, tag it as my app, and specify the context as the current directory, represented by a dot. To run a container, use the command docker run, map port 8080 on the host to port 80 on the container, and specify the image name my app. Developers use Docker for its many benefits. Docker enables fast deployment, allowing applications to be deployed in seconds instead of hours. Docker also allows easy scaling of applications horizontally with container orchestration tools. Let's compare Docker containers with virtual machines. Docker containers are lightweight and have a fast startup time, sharing the host operating system kernel and better resource utilization. Virtual machines are heavy in resource usage, require a full operating system per application, and have a slower startup time. Thank you for watching this complete beginner's guide to Docker. Now you understand what Docker is and why developers love using it for consistent, portable, and efficient application deployment. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.